In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move personal form to a group in Microsoft Forms. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the free Microsoft 365 online page on Microsoft.com. This service gives you access to various online Office applications and is the starting point for this process. Once the page loads, take a moment to ensure that the service is ready by checking for any on-screen prompts or notifications. After arriving at the Microsoft 365 online page, locate and click on the Sign In button. This action will prompt you to enter your login credentials, so make sure you have your username and password ready. Signing in will give you access to your personal settings and saved forms, which is necessary before making any changes or transferring forms. Once you have successfully signed into your Microsoft account, proceed by navigating to the Microsoft Forms homepage. This can typically be done by following a link provided on the Microsoft website or searching for Microsoft Forms if needed. The Microsoft Forms home is your central hub where you can view all forms you have created or have access to. Spend a moment here to familiarize yourself with the interface, as it is designed to be user-friendly and intuitive. After arriving at the Microsoft Forms homepage, identify and select the form you wish to move into a group setting. It's important to choose the correct form so that you do not accidentally transfer the wrong one. Taking care during this step ensures that your collaborative workflow remains organized. When you have confirmed the form selection, proceed to the next phase by looking for the option to share the form. On the Forms menu, locate the Share option. This feature allows you to manage the access and collaboration settings of your form. Selecting Share will present several options related to how you want to collaborate with others. In this stage, click the Add Collaborators option. By doing so, you are opening the door for edit, share, and result viewing rights to be granted to a group. This is a key function for working together in a group environment. After choosing to add collaborators, a link sharing interface will appear. Here you should click on the option labelled Share the link to collaborate and view result. This action prepares the form for transfer by enabling a link that can be used by the group to access and work on the form together. Once the link sharing option is activated, the final step is to copy the link, as it will be needed for the next part of your workflow. Carefully copy the link provided by the interface. This link is essential for transferring your personal form to your group, and you will need to paste it into the appropriate location to finalize the move. Once the link has been copied, you have successfully completed the process outlined in this tutorial. By following these steps, you can ensure that your form is moved securely and efficiently from a personal setting to a group environment within Microsoft Forms. Each action, from signing in to copying the collaboration link, plays an important role in guaranteeing that your form remains accessible to all intended collaborators while maintaining the intended settings and permissions. Enjoy the enhanced collaboration capabilities that this feature offers, and thank you for following this guide.